Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to install the Bluetooth driver on Windows 10. So simply you need to open your device manager, and once you open your device manager, Bluetooth should not be showing up here since the driver is not installed. So simply open the Google Chrome, and on the search you need to type here download Intel Bluetooth driver for Windows 10, and you should be able to get this first link. And this is driver for Windows 10 and 11, so both will work here. You just need to click on this exe, accept terms and conditions, and once you accept terms and conditions, same driver I have already downloaded. You need to go to the location here, and simply you need to double click on this, and you need to hit yes. Then you need to click on next, accept terms and condition, click on next, choose the first option, typical one, then click on next and let it install. After the installation you can restart your Windows after that, and your issue should fix. And also you can go for check for update, and you can also get your Bluetooth driver inside the Windows update, and even you can go for a additional driver if you are showing up here. So new Windows can get the Bluetooth driver including. So close this and restart your window, finish this and restart your Windows. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.